In this video, I want to talk about how you can add a video to your Wix website. Now, I'll quickly show you two different ways. And first of all, you need to open up the editor. So go to your sites and select the site you want to edit. So let's just do this one. Now, once this is opened and you're on the editor, what you need to do is just hit over here, this one. Now, once you're on the editor like this one, what you need to do is you want to edit. So design the site, and once you're on the designer, you want to go to the left hand side and we want to select YouTube. So let's just wait for this to load a little bit. Might take a few seconds. And once this is done preparing, you should see a plus sign with elements. So if we click on this, add elements, then what we want to do is we want to come in here and we want to select video. So let's just go video, here, video and music, select single video players, and then you can see it can be video upload or it can be from one of these. So if you want to do video upload, just select it and upload the video. If you want to do YouTube, you can select that. Or if you want to make it as a link, what you can do is just find any text, click here, add link, and then what you can do is you can add a web address to the YouTube video. Now that's basically how it works. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.